Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 30, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and I'll start off by just turning off my aeroplane mode. I think it should be airplane, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it off just so it doesn't do any kind of causes any conflict with Do Not Disturb mode. Now, moving on, we need to add the Do Not Disturb mode back to the toggles right here. So you do so by tapping on this pencil icon, and you can see it somewhere below here. For me, it's like the third icon. So you wanna grab it, drag it to the top, drop it, go back, and now it should be accessible right here. So once you find your toggle, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on, and this will enable it with whatever the default settings of it are, but you can also hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize it, which is something that I would recommend doing the first time around. Just skim through all the settings right here, change them to your liking. Some of the more important ones would be things like the people. This will allow you to select who can call you or message you, and also schedule. This will allow you to set up a schedule. This will turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode automatically based on your provided start and time and each day of the week that you have selected. Obviously, everything here is preferential, so set it up to fit your needs. Once you have done so, you can quickly turn it on from the settings by toggling on like this, or obviously also by finding the toggle in your toggles panel. And now it's enabled, so when I tap on it, I'll turn it off, which is also another thing you want to keep in mind when you're using your Do Not Disturb mode. If you don't turn it off, it will be running indefinitely, and obviously that might not be something that you want. And if you're using a schedule mode, just make sure that the schedule is turned on, and that's all you would need to do. To turn on your schedule, let's go back to the settings, select schedule, and tap on it. Actually, just by tapping on it, you turn it on. So it's, you see under the name of the schedule, which is sleeping, you have on or off. So if you want to use one of them that you create, just make sure that it's on, and that's all you would need to do. This will turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode automatically. Now, anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.